Have you ever been ignored by someone you liked? That message you sent, they saw it, but they never replied. Or maybe a date where it felt like you were invisible. It can be frustrating, right? Today, you're going to understand exactly why this happens, and more importantly, how to never go through this situation again. In this video, I'm going to share 5 simple yet transformative steps so you'll never be ignored again and can earn the respect and interest of anyone. And stick around until the end, because the last step could completely change the game in your favor. Being ignored isn't just frustrating. It's a feeling that can mess with your confidence. Whether it's a message that never gets a reply or a date where the other person feels distant, these situations can make you question your self-worth. But here's the secret. The problem isn't you, it's what you do. Some actions and behaviors push people away, even if you have the best intentions. And today you're going to learn how to fix that. Now that you understand the problem, it's time to talk about practical solutions. Let's dive into 5 simple steps you can start applying today to transform how people perceive you. Pay attention, because each step has been designed to be straightforward and easy to apply in your life. Step 1. Cut out neediness. Neediness is one of the biggest turnoffs in any type of relationship. When you seek attention excessively by sending too many messages or pushing for interactions, the other person feels like they're dealing with someone insecure. Naturally, this pushes them away. Think of it this way. Neediness is like an empty cup. When you try to fill it with someone else's attention, you become dependent. So, what should you do? Fill your own cup. Focus on activities you love that add value to your life. Go out with friends, invest in your personal growth, or even explore a new hobby. When you show that you're comfortable with who you are and don't need anyone else to feel complete, it completely changes the dynamic. And the best part? You'll start attracting people naturally. Step 2. Adjust your body language. Before you even say a word, your body is already communicating something. Slouched shoulders, a lowered head, and fidgety movements convey insecurity and a lack of confidence. On the other hand, a firm posture with shoulders back, your chin slightly raised, and steady eye contact shows that you're in control of yourself. Training your body language is simpler than you think. Start by standing in front of a mirror. Adjust your posture, practice a confident smile, and observe how it changes your energy. When you walk into any room, move with purpose, taking up the space around you. Before you even speak, you'll be noticed. Before moving on to the 3rd step, I want you to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And most importantly, watch until the end because the last step is the most important. Got it? Let's go. Step 3. Be mysterious. One of the biggest mistakes you can make is revealing everything about yourself all at once. When that happens, you lose the element of mystery, something that naturally sparks curiosity. Relationships are like exciting stories. If you give away the ending at the beginning, the other person loses interest. The solution? Share your life little by little. When someone asks you a question, respond with an interesting detail, but leave room for them to want to know more. For example, instead of saying, "I'm an accountant and I live in New York," try saying, "I work with numbers, but I have a surprising passion for travel." Make them curious to learn more about you. Step 4. Add depth to your conversations. Shallow conversations don't create real connections. If you limit yourself to questions like, "How was your day?" or "Is everything okay?" it seems like you're on autopilot. And that doesn't leave a lasting impression. To stand out and truly create a connection, your conversations need to be memorable. For instance, instead of asking something generic, try something like, "If you could relive any experience, what would it be and why?" Or, "What's the most fun thing you've done in the past few months?" These questions not only reveal more about the other person, but also create moments of excitement and impact. When you explore these deeper aspects, they'll remember you as someone worth talking to. Step 5. Discover your purpose. Nothing is more attractive than someone with a clear purpose. Men without direction or ambition often come across as aimless, and that can be a big turnoff. However, purpose doesn't have to be something grand, like changing the world. It can be as simple as pursuing personal goals that truly matter to you. When you're working on something that drives you, your energy completely changes. For example, whether you're focusing on advancing your career, learning something new, or taking care of your body, it reflects in the way others perceive you. The solution? Choose one area of your life to improve. Invest in it consistently. When you have a clear focus, your enthusiasm becomes contagious. And more than that, you'll attract people who also value growth and purpose. Now imagine what your life will look like after implementing these steps. You walk into a room and feel that people immediately notice you. Conversations flow naturally, and you realize you're in control of your interactions. Plus, you're not just attracting attention, you're earning genuine respect and interest from those around you. These steps aren't just about improving your connections. They're about transforming the way you see yourself. In summary, neediness repels, confidence attracts, mystery intrigues, deep conversations connect, and purpose transforms. These steps are more than just strategies. They're habits that redefine how people perceive you and how you feel about yourself. Now, if you want to take things even further and truly transform your love life, I have something special for you. In the ebook, The Relationship Code, Building Strong Connections, you'll discover practical strategies to create deep bonds and become the man she not only desires, but admires and respects. Click the link in the description to get your copy right now. It's quick, practical, and secure. And of course, if you enjoyed the video, share it with a friend, leave a like, and drop a comment. Big hugs.